To all superwomen, today I would like to convey a very important message through this video. Today we are celebrating World Menstrual Hygiene Day, and the theme of World Menstrual Hygiene Day 2050 is Together for a hashtag period friendly world. This theme emphasizes collective action to ensure menstruation doesn't limit access to education, health or opportunity, and to create a world where menstruation is a normal part of life, free from stigma and taboo. Today is World Menstrual Hygiene Day, and it's so wonderful to be with you. On this day, you think really a day dedicated to menstrual hygiene? Why? Well, because menstrual hygiene. It's not only about menstrual pads or tampons or menstrual cups. It's not about a choice between eco-friendly pads, disposable pads or renewable pads. It's not about that. It's not about medicine to take due to menstrual cramps or hot water bottles. It's not about that. It's not about the number of amounts of the blood came out on random or any each month. It is actually a day that is right at the heart of women empowerment, women's rights, of gender equality, of how as women as grows we think about ourselves, we think about our body, we think about our identities, and how the world responds to our woman heart, to our bodies and ourselves. It's World Creation Day because of course without menstruation there could not be any creation. So it's very special global day. And here are so many beautiful aspects and elements to talk about. First about the taboo of the menstruation. इसके बारे में बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, चुप रहना चाहिए, that we have should be not talking about. Now, it is the time we must break the silence. We must end the taboo, and the reason for that is, as soon as we are silent about menstruation, then we are silently accomplished. Women are not suffering from menstruation, but suffering from unnecessary illness infections, simply due to not having the information or access to the products to keep themselves clean and hygienic during the stays. We also suffering from this sense because it's a taboo. लोग कहते हैं ये मेरा monthly illness और monthly problem है. It is neither an illness nor a problem. Yes, उसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है, संभालना है. It's just something we need to take care of. But this taboo around silent has created a situation in all over India. Girls are staying home. They doesn't going to school, missing critical days of their education and ultimately out too frequently having to drop out of school. Simply because nobody has taught them how to take care of themselves, simply because they don't have the information or access to products that would enable them to come to school. We are embraced or sent or to not talk about menstruation hygiene or think वो गंदी बात है, ऐसी बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए. That is gender based violence. To have our girls and women every month feel like that something went wrong. They somehow sick, dirty or impure. That is gender based violence. Violence is not only our physical body. Violence is to our mind, our heart and our self identities. When we think about of creation, किसको मानते हैं? Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma is the creation. Lord Brahma has given us that power of creation. जहाँ menstruation नहीं होता, वहाँ creation नहीं हो सकता. In the years before we start menstruating, जब हम छोटे बच्चे हैं, या in the years after menopause, when we are not menstruating, we cannot create, we can only create life when we menstruation. इसका मतलब पेट में दर्द होना का नहीं है. When we menstruate, we must remember, I am up, not I am down. ये शर्म की बात नहीं है, ये वरदान है. This is blessing.